Hello, welcome to another job application video by the Career Center of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Today, we're going to walk you through how to apply for a position with Papa John's. And as soon as I take my face off of the picture, we begin. What we're going to need to do is go to Papa John's website. So Papa John, just like it sounds, PAPAJOHNS. I'm going to close that down. Just type it in. It pops right up. And what we're looking for is career. So we're going to scroll down. We didn't see anything at the top. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Let's see, it's usually under information about the company, and there it is, careers. Great, let's see, career home, search by keywords, search by location, search jobs near me. Let's do that. We're going to close Pepper, right? We're going to close Pepper. Pepper is the assistant, the AI assistant. We're going to close him down just to see if we can do it manually. We will allow the location app to detect our location so that it can narrow our search. And a delivery driver. That sounds like something we're interested in, delivery driver. Okay, let's move down here. Okay. And it make money, have fun, flex schedule. It tells you everything you need to know about the position, and it gives you opportunities to apply, save job, refer a friend, or go back. We're going to apply for the delivery driver. Please enter your email address. And we're going to press continue. Make money, have fun, flex schedule. Okay, tells you about the job again. Tells you exactly where it's located at, and it gives you opportunity to apply. We're going to click on apply. Apply for a delivery driver in store 1893 Jefferson Highway. Okay, we're going to put our name right there. Last name's public. Put our email, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to put the phone number. Now you have it's optional whether or not to upload your resume. We're going to choose to do it manually. Have you previously worked in the retail, food, or delivery industry? Yes. We're going to scroll down. Are you looking for a full-time, part-time, seasonal position? Full-time, part-time, and seasonal. Which days of the week are you available to work? Check all that apply. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Have you ever been charged, convicted, or pled no contest to a criminal offense, felony, or misdemeanor? No. Are you legally eligible to work in the United States? If you're a United States citizen, you are automatically. Are you at least 18 years old with a valid driver's license? Yes. Do you have a reliable vehicle with current insurance coverage? Yes. Have you ever worked for Papa John's? If yes, which location? We will say no, we have not. Have you ever been convicted of a DUI in the past 5 years? That's a no. I checked that the information provided is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I understand that Any omission or false information may disqualify me from employment, or in the event of employment, be deemed grounds for dismissal. I acknowledge and agree. Submit application. Your application has been submitted. And thank you for viewing this video. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you for tuning into the Career Center's YouTube channel. We wish you well on your job search journey.